Hello guys, this is Random and Engineering, and in this video you will learn how to extend lines. This extend option is exactly opposite of the trim function. You can find the extend option in the drop down menu of trim entities. When you click the option and hover the mouse over the line, it will show you the extended projection to where it needs to be extended. Now, you need to understand that the projection of extension depends on which side of line you hover the mouse. Like in a vertical line, if I move the cursor towards bottom, it will show projection in that side towards its nearest intersection. Further, if you click the mouse button, it will extend the line. Similarly, now I randomly hover the cursor over the line and the projection is being changed from the midpoint of the line. You need to understand that it will only extend towards its nearest intersection. Now I draw some random set of lines and apply extend command for your further understanding. You can observe that the line is being extended from that side where the cursor hovered over it. I hope you understand the concept of extension. It's better you can draw and randomly practice like this. I hope you guys understood well in this video. Still, if you have any problem or question, you can ask in the comment section. Please give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.